All right, guys, we are super excited to be here today with you and very special guest Lily.
Hello.
In the Braille house. So tell us everything about everything.
Okay, so I am a domino artist, which means I set up thousands of dominoes and then I knock them down in intricate arrangements and I spell out words and pictures and then you get to watch them fall and it's all a big destruction and chain reaction.
Thousands upon thousands upon thousands. And when you watch it, you're just like, you can't stop watching it. You're just like 45 hours later, you're like, wow. That was mind-blowing. So what did you set up here today?
I set up a domino obstacle course, which you are gonna skate through and over. We have like walls set up as dominoes and you can like ollie over them and then hit some towers and then just knock it all down.
So the goal is for me to knock down some of them, but not most of them.
Yeah, some of them are just windy paths that if you skate through them, then you're good. But if you knock down the side of the domino, then it's like you're not supposed to hit the edge of it.
So sort of like a failure.
Yeah.
No big deal.
One try.
One try. First try?
Yes.
Okay, let me get loose here. We can't show that.
Oh, we have a question back here, Aaron.
This is Lily's father.
And business manager, and I'm going to be part of the stunt. It's entirely possible that Lily's going to be looking for a new business manager.
She's only given me one try to do this.
Yeah, I mean, one try, that's it.
That's it.
That's how it goes.
Are you gonna just stay like that?
Hell no. My head is not going to be above the surface.
So the idea here is that I go across this, knock those down, and then jump over.
And then kill me.
Hopefully not. Let's see what happens. So we're gonna go to the start of the course and then we're gonna run through it. We're pretty nervous about the wind coming in and knocking over this 3, 2, 1. I professionally built this myself last night, so I'm pretty sure it's kind of a solid go. I'm gonna start right here, hit that, it's gonna go down the stairs, and then 3, 2, 1, and then?
Once it stops, then you go.
Go. I'm supposed to ollie up this, and I hope you know that I can't ollie that high.
You're gonna today.
Okay, we hope.
And then you're gonna go onto this, do a kick flip.
Probably a 180.
Yeah. Knock down all these towers.
Knock, knock, knock. I can use my hands, feet, whatever. Maybe I should make it like overly dramatic or just like.
Do whatever you want.
Okay.
You can smash it, like kick it, I don't know. Whatever
She said do whatever you want.
Oh, that's a good request right there.
This is the part of the obstacle course I like to call pure death. In terms of the first try situations.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is the domino path, and you don't want to skate on this. You want to stay in the middle.
Right. So literally no speed into the world's highest ollie, which is this obstacle right here.
So these are all just stacked on top of each other. Once one falls, it'll make a chain reaction because then a domino won't have a support, so it'll just crumble.
Wow. Yeah. It's the most beautiful thing to see these things crumble. Like if I were to pull this one out.
Aaron, and then we have these little gaps. What are the gaps for?
These are called safety gaps, and you take out like 5 dominoes here and there. So if I do accidentally knock it down by accident, it won't knock down the entire thing. It'll just do a small section.
See?
That just scared me. I can't believe you did that.
Why?
That just stressed me out.
Into round 2.
Yes, a little bit higher now.
Wow, that's really stressful. Even the red is stressing me out. It just like is just mocking me.
Wait till we get to the third one. This one is the biggest wall that you'll have to ollie over. You think you can do it?
No.
I think you can do it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Remember, this all has to be first try, Aaron.
Yes,
First try.
First try.
No big deal. No big deal.
Never done any practice runs here. You're just going for it.
Right, because there's no way to practice run it. If I knock it down and the whole thing goes, I'm just gonna lay down and cry and let Carlos finish the course.
Carlos couldn't ollie that high either.
Truth. We'll let Fetty finish the course.
There you go.
Okay, so then we finish this. We go around here.
You have a really long, windy path.
Do 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 do. Hopefully I don't get confused and turn that way. So is this a speed situation or should I do some tricks in here?
You can, as long as you have enough speed to get up there.
Don't rush it. Just make it through first try.
You think so?
Yeah. Oh, be careful up here.
Yeah.
So then I'm gonna go up this. I'm gonna grab one or maybe both of those, probably one. And then what am I doing up there?
And then you're gonna skate up, do a tray flip, I believe, and then throw the turtle shell at the target.
Wow, that's terrifying.
Yeah.
Tray flip, throw the turtle shell at the target. So let's say in the off chance that I miss the tray flip, do I go back and do it again? Sort of like an obstacle, like have to land the trick situation?
Sure. And then you go back down here. We have some arrows on the side. That's gonna lead you to this tower.
I feel like I'm gonna go down this, try and turn, and just slide out. My dog peed right here the other night, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna hit that and just go. And hopefully hit this face first.
So yeah, you're not hitting that with an arm. You're diving into that.
Okay.
Feeling confident?
No.
Oh, Aaron.
I was super
You got
confident.
it.
I got
You
this.
got this.
Yeah, first try.
First try.
Yeah, I just, no big deal. And then I'm supposed to manual this and then ollie out of a manual over her dad's head while knocking that down.
It's going to be pretty complicated.
I'm sort of hoping that just jumping onto this is going to shake that enough to knock it down. Because if I hit one of those dominoes with my wheel, it will stop me and I'll fly into her father.
Jump off,
Jump
over
off.
my dad. One more little path through here.
Slide the rail,
Yep.
which I'll probably slide about this far.
Okay.
Just kidding.
Cool.
Maybe this much further.
And then jump right into here. This is the finish line.
How would it feel to land on all those pieces of wood just into your chest? You've probably never had that happen.
I've never done that, no.
Not advisable.
But we'll find out today.
Okay.
Let me know.
All right, well, I think we should do this before the wind blows that 3, 2, 1 down.
Yeah.
Nigel, what do you think?
He's got one try,
Yeah.
and Aaron, usually under pressure, he does all right. But this is huge pressure. He might break. Like, I hope it goes well, but at the same time, I hope he messes something up.
Oh yeah, me too. You guys, what do you think is gonna happen?
I think it's a good thing my balloons already fell down.
I was thinking about that the other day.
So I don't think he's gonna make it over that one.
I don't think so either.
I don't think he's gonna make it to the second one either because look how little time
That's
you have
what
to
I
set
was
up.
saying. If somewhere he does, he's not making it over that one.
If everything goes well and that's still standing, can I knock this over?
I don't know. We might have to Rochambeau for it. Oh, I gotta get your opinion. What do you think is gonna happen?
I don't want to predict because I could die.
So, okay, I'm gonna knock that down, ollie up there. She wants me to kickflip from that to that, and then just go ham on those things.
Yeah.
Ham.
I would just hit him towards the wall so you don't knock down the walkway, you know?
Right. Sure thing, Gabe. Are you guys nervous too, or no? It's just me?
I think it's just you.
It's cool.
Dude, you should board flip onto it to knock it down.
You think so?
You ready?
I'm not. Are you guys ready? Look at all the people we have
There's
in
so
here.
many people. Look at all these cameras.
We'll just call this most people in the Braille house ever. Okay.
All right.
I'm gonna do this. You ready?
Yes, sir.
3, 2, 1. No big deal. Meant to do that. Ready? Oh no!
Aaron, no!
They're going! I was like, what is that clicking noise? It didn't knock over. That was the most exciting thing of my entire life.
How'd that feel?
Oh my gosh. A little bit of pain, a lot of anxiety. No, just kidding. That was awesome.
Nice job. Woo! And you made it over the big one.
Yeah.
Slow-mo.
How do you slide into that?
Just full send.
Send it right into my leg.
What?
That was awesome.
Wow. That really hurt my face.
All right, Aaron, you want to knock down the rest of them?
Yeah.
All right.
So you wanna know what was great?
What?
When you were skating, just hearing that.
I was like, what is that noise? What is that ticking noise? And I was like, oh no, we failed.
Nice job.
We're gonna knock down the rest?
Yeah, do you want to skate into them or you can just like smash it?
I want to thank you from the bottom of my
You made
heart
it.
for not killing me.
Oh, that's so satisfying. First try.
Okay, you ready? Don't breathe. Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Here's my little bunch. Oh, oh.
So excited!
You ready?
Wow.
So satisfying.
Wow.
So satisfying.
Go ahead, Gabe.
How do I do it?
Just pull that one out. Whoa!
3, 2, 1, go.
Gabe's not fast enough.
I win!
So what started the first one? When I hit the thing?
Yeah, when you hit the dominoes and they flew everywhere. All right, there's 2 more.
There you go, Chloe, get in there. Chloe, get in there. Here, let me show you what to do, Chloe. So just take that block and pull it out.
You just took mine.
Oh,
Go ahead, take that one, take that one.
See, that's a gentleman right there.
Yes, he is. All right, Notification Squad, leave it in the comments below. Make sure you have your notifications turned on. Hashtag Notification Squad. You liked, subscribed, and shared this video. And if you guess how many dominoes were used in this video, Gabe's phone will go off. Guess how many dominoes were used in this video, and we will send the person with the closest number a special prize package. All right, well, that was incredible.
Yeah, nice job.
Well done setting all that up.
Thank you. Good job going through it.
Thank you, thank
Yep.
you. They didn't think I could ollie the blue one,
And
but
you
I made
did.
it, you know?
That's awesome.
Well, that was really, really fun. So we made another video on Lily's channel. You guys should go there and check it out right now.
Yes.
You may or may not believe this, but I actually set up some dominoes.
And he was pretty good. Yeah, I taught him how to build some tricks.
First try?
and we also did like behind the scenes of how we created this, so you gotta go check it out.
Check it out, subscribe to her channel. Thank you guys so much. You guys are the absolute best. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.